and I'm going to show you the multi-feature bar. So what I've done is I'm going to digitize across this road. I'm going to do it very, very quickly here, so you would do it in a lot more detail. And for this, we would normally set up a section position file that will run along, for instance, the center line of a road, or along the edge of a curb, or whatever it is. If you've got a linear feature and you can define it in the point cloud, then you can set up a section position file to follow. So you'll see here we've got a wall, we've got top and bottom of curb, we've got central reservation, and then we've got features repeating on the other side. Okay, so let's get the screen orientated and let's create a section position file. So configure SPF create, give it a name. I'm going to leave the default settings, which is a 10-meter section interval with a left of 10 meters and a right of 10 meters. Oh, by the way, I've just created an empty survey here on the left-hand side in LSS. I now, using the search sphere, just say I want the points to be defined by nearest to click. So as long as there are points within the point cloud I can click on to define the center, I'm just going to digitize a few points along here. Okay, so escape to finish and end and save. And then in 3D Vision, go to 3D View and Slice, select the chainage and select the section position file, and you'll see the section displayed in Slice View, and at 0 chainage we're ready to start using the multi-feature command. And for that we choose the command 3D Vision link multi-feature. We get a display of all of the legend entries for link features, and I'm going to clear away all the list that I had previously from another demonstration. I click my first feature, which in this case is wall. The next feature is going to be top of curb, add that to the list. The next one will be bottom of curb, or just curb, whichever code you want. It's entirely up to you how you do it. In fact, it doesn't really matter what code you use. So add that. So I'm going to have wall, then top, then K, then I just pick another one, center line, and then I'm over on the other side of the road. I'm going to pick up curb again, then top, and then wall again. And there you go, we're ready. If I choose wrap, it means I can go from left to right and then move up a chainage and then go right to left. It saves me having to keep moving the section left and right as we go. Now ready to start digitizing. It's highlighted the W code at the top, so I click on that and you'll see it automatically advances to the next code, top, then to curb. See down the right hand side there, it's moving down the list. Then I haven't got a center line, but I'm just going to click anywhere in the middle somewhere. Then curb, top, wall. And what I need to do now is advance the chainage at the bottom there, press the plus, and it goes up one, and the arrow on the right hand side there in blue is pointing up, so I just go back up the list this time. So that's the advantage of using the wrap option. And in LSS on the left hand side you'll see it joining up the link features as if we were surveying them all individually. Up a chainage and then back along the road. Clearly if you had a full screen you'd be zoomed in much more than you are here, so you would have much more precision. It's not snapping on points here, it's snapping on the intersection between the vertical and the horizontal guidelines there in the slice view. So it's drawn those features in LSS on the left. So we're going down, we've advanced a chainage, and we're now going back up through the list again. Okay, I've just spotted a slight anomaly in the 3D view screen, that it's actually showing the lines drawn across the feature as well. That's something that will be sorted out in a future release, so ignore that. It should be joining the lines along the link feature.